Make your kitchen smarter, safer, and faster. In today's video, we're featuring 5 amazing home and kitchen gadgets that will save your cooking time, reduce accident risks, and add a touch of professional magic to your everyday routine. Check out the product links in the description below to explore more. And if you love smart solutions for your home, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest finds. Number 1. Tired of clunky blenders and messy cleanups? Meet the Ovente Immersion Hand Blender. Effortless blending anytime. Picture this: smoothies in seconds, even on busy mornings. Whip up soups, shakes, sauces, or baby food with just one touch. Powered by a robust 300-watt motor for fast, even results. 2 adjustable speeds: pulse low for soft fruits, high for tough veggies. Stainless steel blades blend everything to silky perfection. Lightweight, ergonomic handle ensures steady, comfortable control. Slim stick design fits any bowl, pot, or beaker, no restriction. Detachable parts make cleanup simple. Just rinse or toss in dishwasher. Motor body wipes clean in seconds. No more kitchen hassle. Perfect for home cooks, busy parents, and health enthusiasts alike. Transform meal prep. Make healthy eating quick and fun again. Enjoy peace of mind with Ovente's US-based customer service and warranty. Upgrade your kitchen routine. Blend smarter, not harder. Grab your Ovente Immersion Hand Blender today and blend with ease. Number 2. Struggling with bottle caps or pull tabs? Meet the Magic Opener Combo, your everyday helper. Perfect for seniors, arthritis sufferers, and caregivers. Imagine opening water bottles, soda cans, and soup cans effortlessly. No more pain or frustration, just easy, smooth opening every time. Ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand. Opens over 16 different plastic cap sizes, one tool for all. Includes 1mm Plus and 1mm Mini for total versatility. Pull tab feature slides under can tabs, no strain, no mess. Magnetic back sticks to your fridge, always within reach. Made from high-quality, durable plastic built to last. If the cap stays in the opener, that's normal. Just reseal easily. Dropped it? Still works great for bottles and cans. Transform daily tasks. Open containers with confidence and ease. Make life simpler for yourself or a loved one. Upgrade your kitchen. Get the Magic Opener Combo today. Number 3. Tired of burning your fingers with hot bowls? Meet the Soliter Plate Gripper, your Instant Pot's best friend. Imagine easily lifting a steaming bowl from your microwave. No more awkward balancing acts or scorched fingertips. The long, flat gripping head slides into tight spaces effortlessly. Securely grab plates, inner pots, or heavy cast iron pans. Anti-slip silicone padding ensures a solid, safe grip every time. Comes as a set of 2, perfect for handling large or heavy items. Hold your inner pot steady while stirring. No more spinning. Versatile. Works with air fryers, toaster ovens, steamers, and more. No bulky mitts required. Just precise, flexible control. Crafted from food-grade 18/8 stainless steel for durability and safety. Easy to clean. Just rinse or toss in the dishwasher. Upgrade your kitchen routine. Safe, simple, and efficient. Don't risk burns. Grab the Soliter Plate Gripper today. Number 4. Tired of burns or slippery oven mitts? Meet the Rorikay 6 PCs. Oven mitts and pot holders set. Imagine baking cookies or roasting turkey, hands fully protected. Withstand heat up to 500 degrees, no more fear of hot pans. Extra long 15-inch mitts shield hands and forearms. Non-slip honeycomb texture ensures a secure, confident grip. Includes sturdy trivets and handy mini pinch mitts for every task. 100% BPA-free, food-grade silicone, safe for your family. Waterproof and stain-resistant, no more soggy stained mitts. Premium natural cotton liner. Comfort meets control. Easy to clean, just rinse, wipe, or toss in the washer. Gray color resists stains, always looks fresh. Perfect gift for home cooks and baking lovers. Upgrade your kitchen safety and style today. Ready to cook with confidence? Click to order now. Number 5. Tired of waiting for homemade soup? Meet the Philips Viva Collection Soup Maker. Fresh, delicious soup, ready in under 18 minutes. Perfect for busy professionals and small families. Imagine healthy soup after work, no hassle. 6 preset programs for ultimate versatility. Pureed, chunky, cold soups, smoothies, compote, and milk-based soup. Soup Pro technology heats and blends automatically. Unique blade design ensures perfect texture every time. 1.2-liter capacity, meal for 2 or appetizers for 4. No hidden ingredients. Control what goes into your soup. Includes a recipe book with 38 inspiring recipes. Easy to clean, no extra appliances or mess. Upgrade your kitchen routine. Healthy meals, fast. Ready to make fresh soup anytime? Try Philips Soup Maker now.